This 2024, set realistic goals for a positive impact on your life and the environment. From small habits like swapping teapots or learning about your tea's origins, here are some easy tea resolutions that can make a huge difference in your life. Connect with suppliers and teaware businesses committed to a helpful global mission and ensures ethical sourcing. TeaBloom's USDA-certified organic teas are grown on small, fair trade certified plantations, thus echoes health and global wellness. Choose teas that nurture both you and the planet. Make it a resolution to support responsible tea suppliers like TeaBloom for a healthier, sustainable tea experience. Make an easy tea resolution to switch out your porcelain or metallic teaware for borosilicate glass teaware. A lot of traditional porcelain and metallic teaware is made with materials that leach cadmium and lead into your tea, which are detrimental to your health and the environment. By switching to borosilicate glass teaware, you are not only investing on a classic look, but also on strong, sustainable, and chemical-free tea experience. Let tea be your guide to mindfulness. Savor every nuance, concentrate on the present moment, and find joy in the simplicity of a mindful tea ritual. Make it a daily habit to create a cup of tea just for you. Practicing mindfulness with tea allows you to release past worries and free yourself from future anxieties, promoting overall well-being. A small tea business like TeaBloom can make a big impact. They showcase a large selection of exquisite borosilicate glass, which are handcrafted and designed with ethical intent for a healthier tea drinking experience. Create a resolution to support small tea businesses that value ethics, craftsmanship, and health to contribute to a better tea industry. Have you ever hosted a tea party? You should try it. Tea parties create an exciting opportunity to connect with your friends or community. Explore delightful tea party ideas for an intimate gathering and incorporate it as an annual tradition. Hosting a tea party isn't just an event. It's a chance to build deeper relationships, share joy, and create moments of connection and a shared love for tea. Did you know that there is a right way to steep tea? Starting with the right kind of fresh water is key. There's also timing, plus a lot of other factors. Different kinds of teas need shorter or longer steeping times in order for you to experience the full range of its true flavor. So make a tea resolution to learn the art of steeping so you can enjoy all of your favorite hot teas and iced teas the best way possible. Try unique recipes, rituals, and teas from different cultures and immerse yourself in diverse tea traditions. From the Japanese tea ceremony to Tibetan butter tea bowls, the history of tea unfolds. Make a resolution to discover 1 or 2 tea cultures this year to slowly expand your palate and savor the richness of global tea traditions. Make a tea resolution to create a morning tea ritual to reflect on the day ahead, or create an evening ritual to relax and unwind. Whichever routine you choose, make it fun, easy, and enjoyable. Let TeaBloom's beautiful, functional, and sustainable teaware be your companion. Start each day or cap it off with a tea experience that nurtures your well-being and adds a touch of elegance to life. Switching out your tea bags for loose-leaf tea could be the best thing you can do for your health and the planet, as tea bags can wreak havoc in landfills. But if you really prefer using tea bags, we recommend seeking out compostable ones. TeaBloom offer 100% compostable tea bags that are filled with high-quality whole-leaf teas and returned to the earth in only 2 months. Whether it's choosing loose-leaf teas or compostable bags, prioritize a healthy planet and premium tea experience.